Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Shrutika and let us today continue with the part 3 of our chapter 15 from standard 8, visualizing solid shapes. So in our previous part we have seen the different 2D and 3D shapes. Then we have seen how to identify the 2D and 3D shapes. Then we have seen the nets of 3D shapes and and we have also seen how the nets of different shapes look like. We have also seen how to identify the nets of any shape. So these things we have covered in our part 1 and part 2. So in our part 3, let us see how to draw solid shapes on flat surfaces. That is how to draw solid shapes on plain paper. So the first step in drawing the 3D shapes is first we have to draw the front face. Okay, so for example today let us understand how to draw a cube. Okay, so over here measurements are given, that is the measurement of the cube is given, that is 3 centimeter, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 centimeter each. The length of the cube is 3 centimeter, and we all know that the cube has same length, that is the lengths are equal in cube. Okay, so here first what we have to do, the first step is to draw the faces. So first we are given the measurement, that is 3 into 3 into 3. So we have a plain paper. Here we will first draw the lengths, or first the face of the cube. And how we will draw the face of the cube? As we know the measurements of the length, we will measure the lengths, like it is first given as 3 centimeters, so it will be like 1, 2 and 3. So how many boxes? 1, 2 and 3. Here also 2, 3 again. So it is first we have to draw a face which is of equal length, that is 3 centimeter each. So we have here, see, we have drawn a face which has all the 4 sides equal, that is 3, 3 and 3. Okay, so we first have to draw what? The front face. We have drawn over here. Then what we will do is second step, wherein draw the opposite face. Sizes of the face have to be same, but the sketch is somewhat offset from first step. So what we will do here is, this is our original square, this is our original square what we have drawn in our figure in our step 1. So this we have drawn from this was the first front face which we have drawn in our step 1. Now in step 2 what we have to do is we have to repeat the same thing, that is we have to draw the same face but little below the first one. So what we will do is, while drawing the second face, what we will do is we will leave one box. Okay, see over here I have left one box, and below the first face what we will do is we will draw the same face with same measurement, just one unit we will leave, and then we will draw the second face. So over here what we will do is we will draw the second face with same measurement, that is 3 into 3 into 3, but only thing is we will draw it little below the first one. So this was our first one and this is our second face. So this is our second one, second face, and this was our first face. So this is our first face which we have drawn, and this is our second face what we have drawn. So till this step is clear now. So what will be the third step? So join the corresponding corners. So what we will do now, over here see we have two faces, face 1 and face 2. So what we will do now is we will join the corresponding, see, now what we will do is we will join the corresponding corners of the two faces so that both the faces are joined. Okay, see. Now how we will do it? What is the third step? Third step is to join the corners. So these are the corners of the faces, and what we will do is now we will join the corners. Okay, and then you will get a figure like this. So while after joining the corners, so what we will get is a 3D shape from a 2D. What we will get is a 3D shape from the measurements which were given, using what? By drawing it like this. So let us try to draw some other shapes over here now using the same method like this only. What we will, here we have drawn a cube. Now let us try to draw some other shapes, other 3D shape. So first what we will do is we will have your this thing, dotted lines, sorry, the square boxes. So first let us draw the square boxes. First we will draw the plane, and then with the help of the boxes we will draw 3D shape. So okay, so now we have drawn a plane here. So what measurements we will have is the length is like 5 centimeters and the breadth is 2 centimeters. Okay, so here using this length and breadth, let us draw the figure. So first what we will do is first we will draw the plane figure first. Okay, so how much is the length? Length is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the length is 5 centimeter. So we will draw a line wherein we will draw a line through the 5 boxes, that is 5 centimeter. Then what is the breadth? Breadth is 2 centimeter. So 1 and 2. So what we will do is draw it, and then again we will join it, and what we will get is a rectangle. Okay, so now what we will do, the second step, we will again draw the same face but below the first face. That is, we will leave one unit and then we will start with the drawing of the face. So again same this thing, same same measurements, that is 1 2 3 4 5 boxes. So 5 is the length and 2 is the breadth. Okay, so we have drawn the first face and the second face now with length 5 cm and breadth 2 cm. Now the third step is to join the corners of the two faces. So now let us join the corners of the two faces. Okay. Now we will join the corners of the two faces. And now what we get is a 3D cuboid. Yes, so we have got a cuboid from what lengths and breadths what we had before. So with the help of this, what we could do is we could draw a 3D shape. So this was about how to draw 3D shapes on a plane. Okay, and this type of sketches are called as oblique sketches. So these are some examples of the sketches how we can draw the objects with different lengths. Like this we have to draw it. Now let us see how different objects are viewed from different viewpoints. That is, first see this example. This is a house. From the front view, how the house looks, it looks like this. From the side view, if I view the house from a sideways, what image I can see is this. And if I view the house from top, I will get a view like this. So objects when viewed from different angles give us different views. And the example over here is the house. The front view is like this, the side view is like this, and the top view is like this. So for other objects also it is same. Other shapes also it is same. Like this is an example of a building. Now how the building is like this. Then the front view of this building is something like this. Then the side view will be, if I view this side, I will get a side view of the object like this. And if I view it from the top, this part, how it will be like this. Okay, so this is how we can identify, or we can see how the different views of the objects are. So this was about how to view the objects. Over here also see, now this is a solid shape. Yes, it will have a front view, it will have a top view, and it will have a side view. From front it will look something like this. Yes, from this side it will look like this. We will see that only one square or one square is there, but from front we can see 1 2 3 squares, but from top what we can see 1 2 3 squares. So like this, from front, side and top, different objects has different views. For example, this what will be the front view of this? So what is this? This is the front view now. So this is front view. So front view is this. Okay, this is the front view. This is what now? This is from top C. From top it is like this. So this will be the top view and this is the side view. Okay, so this is how we can identify the different views. Over here now, this is the front view, this will be the side view, and this will be the top view. Okay, so this is how we can identify the front view, side view and top view of the object. So this was about today's class. So in our last part of this chapter, we have learned about how the how to draw oblique shapes, how we can, with the help of lengths and breadths, how we can, with the help of measurements, how we can draw different kind of shapes. And we have also seen how a different object from different angle will have different views, that is front view, side view and top view. And we have also seen how to identify the front view, top view and the side view of the objects. So thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.